Welcome to Easy Living, in this impeccable one-story villa at Lexington, with yard care and exterior maintenance included. A soothing color palette throughout, this 2-bedroom, 2-bath home, with garage and screened lanai. Enjoy an appealing open floor plan, with neutral tile floors and crown molding in the main living area, plus a private master suite with door to lanai, private master bath offering dual sinks, tiled shower, and walk-in closet. Lots of natural light, and a set of triple sliders leading to the spacious screened lanai. Lexington is a lovely neighborhood with single-family and town homes, plus rarely available one-story villas. As a resident, you will enjoy endless use of the community pool, tennis courts and designated playground. Call today for a private showing.